Don't let the Castle Core Library DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. As we prepare to resolve Castle Core Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Castle Core Library, associated with specialized modding frameworks for Unity-based games, often localized titles. It manages the localized redirection of gameplay variables. Because it performs memory injection, it is frequently quarantined by Windows Defender. If missing, the game will launch, but custom mods will be disabled. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The Castle Core Library DLL module is a localized part of the Castle Core DynamicProxy framework integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Castle Core Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. If you're attempting to register Castle Core Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Castle Core Library management. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Castle Core Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.